Hi, my name is Satish Alvarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department in Guntur Engineering College. Today, I will explain about basic concepts of thermodynamics. Okay, thermodynamics. In Greek language, thermo means heat, dynamics means work, and both heat and work and their behavior of properties we have to study in thermodynamics. Let us discuss about basic concepts of thermodynamics. What is a thermodynamic system? A thermodynamic system is defined as a definite quantity of matter or region in a space upon a which attention in concentrated in the analysis of a problem. The thermodynamic system is nothing but a having definite quantity of matter. It is called a thermodynamic system. In this system, we having boundary and surroundings. What is boundary means? The system is separated from the surroundings by the system boundary. This boundary may be fixed or moving. What is surroundings? Everything external to the system is called as a surroundings. Everything external to the system is called surroundings. What is control volume? For thermodynamic analysis of an open system such as an air compressor, attention focused on a certain volume in space surrounding compression known as the control volume. What is inverse? A system and it is surrounding together compress, that is called inverse. Now come to the what are the types of thermodynamic system? There are three types. One is closed system, second one is open system, third one is isolated system. What is closed system? A closed system is a system in which mass is fixed and energy will be transferred from the system to surrounding and surrounding to system. That is called closed system. Come to the open system. The both mass and energy transfer from the system to surroundings and surrounding to system. It is called open system. And third one is isolated system. In this system, the both mass and energy are not transfer from the system to surrounding and surrounding to system. Both mass and energy both are not transfer. Both are fixed. That is called isolated system. And come to the approaches, thermodynamic approaches, that is microscopic viewpoint and macroscopic viewpoint. Microscopic approach versus macroscopic approach. In macroscopic approach, it is also called as a classical thermodynamics. Microscopic approach, it is also called as statistical thermodynamics. In macroscopic approach, structure of the matter is not considered. No attention is focused on the behavior of individual particles constituting the matter. In microscopic approach, matter constituting the system is considered to comprise a large number of discrete particles is called molecules. These molecules have different velocities and energies, and these parameters constantly change with time. In macroscopic approach, the volumes considered are very large compared to molecular dimension. Similarly, in microscopic approach, large number of variables are needed to describe the system. In macroscopic approach, only few variables are needed to describe the state or condition of the matter. In microscopic approach, the behavior of the gas is described by summing up the behavior of each molecules. These are the main difference between the macroscopic versus microscopic approach. And come to the concept of continuum. Continuum means continuous plus medium. This word is coming from continuous plus medium. By the macroscopic approach, a very large volumes are considered instead of molecular dimension. Disregarding the behavior of individual molecules, matter is here treated as a continuous. This continuous is known as a continuum. Okay, molecular matter is here treated as a continuous. This is known as continuum. So I conclude the these basic concepts of thermodynamics. Thank you so much.